Hello and welcome back to another session of MSW Logo. In our previous session, we had discussed about basic primitives of logo, their functions and their uses, and how to draw basic shapes like square and rectangle using logo primitives. In today's session, we are going to learn about advanced primitives of logo, that means logo pen commands, functions of pen up, pen down, pen erase and pen paint, and how to draw parallel lines using these pen commands. We know that when turtle moves, it draws lines. So let's discuss primitives related to logo pen. Pen up or PU, pen down or PD, pen erase or PE, pen paint or PPT. Pen up lifts up the pen of the turtle and moves the turtle ahead with the specified number of steps without drawing a line. We don't use any number with PU. In simple language, if we discuss what PU is, it helps the turtle to draw invisible line. That means we will draw a line, the turtle will move forward, but that line will not be visible to us. Next is pen down or PD. This command is used to bring the turtle back to the drawing mode from an invisible mode. That means if you have sent the turtle in an invisible mode, then you have to again bring it back to the drawing mode before drawing a line or a shape. Again, though we do not need any input with PD also. Pen erase or PE. This command works as an eraser. That means it helps us to remove the wrong parts or the wrong lines of the shape. Again, it is not used with any number, and it is compulsory to use BK or FD after this command. Pen paint. Pen paint is used to bring the turtle back to drawing mode from an eraser mode. That means if you have turned your turtle into an eraser and you want to draw a line again or a shape again, you have to bring the turtle into a drawing mode using PPT. Now there is a vast difference between pen down and pen paint, though their function is same, that they bring the turtle back to the drawing mode. But pen down brings the turtle back to the drawing mode from an invisible mode, and pen paint brings the turtle back to the drawing mode from an eraser mode. So this is a difference. Remember it, the difference between pen down and pen paint. Now, using pen up and pen down, we can draw parallel lines. Just see at the right side, you can see these thin two lines. These are parallel lines. Why do we call them parallel lines? Because they do not meet or intersect each other. For drawing a straight line, you all know you have to type FD 100. Once you have drawn a straight line, you need to turn the turtle towards right direction. For that, we will be typing RT 90. Now, you can see the gap between the two lines. That means the turtle has drawn an invisible line over here. So, we will be typing pen up, PU. After that, we will move the turtle ahead a little bit. So, we will type FD 50. We will turn the turtle again in the right direction. So, we will type RT 90. Now, we need to draw another line which should be visible. So, we will bring the turtle back to the drawing mode from an invisible mode. So, here we will type PD, and after that we will type FD 100. It completes two lines. Now, your task is you will be completing You will be completing drawing two parallel lines. You will be completing drawing four parallel lines using these steps. It is your home assignment. You are going to draw four parallel lines using these steps only. Now it's up to you how you are going to make, and you have to send it to me. Hope you enjoy today's session and hope you are enjoying logo also. Thank you.